welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create a virtual network in Azure and Subnets. So a virtual network is your own private network in Azure, and subnets are smaller sessions within that network used for organizing and securing resources. So now let us create our first virtual network in Azure. If you have virtual networks here, you can click on it, but if you don't have, don't worry. Tap on the search bar and type virtual networks and select the first one and click on create. And here we need some informations about what we want to create. Starting with an active subscription and a resource group here. And if you have a resource group, you can select it, but if you don't have one, just click on create new and give it a name. Let's say VNet RG or VNet resource group. And we need a name for our virtual network. Let us call this first VNet. And the region, very important. Here it's virtual network and subnet spam or availability zone in the Azure region use trying to connect. So that is something very important to know about the resources that you want to connect to this virtual machine. Make sure the region is suited for that, is right for that before choosing the region. Click on next. And here on the security tab, nothing to be changed for the sake of this demo. We are not going to talk about all the information that we have, including virtual network encryption, bashing, etc. So here, IP address space, IP addresses tab. Here, first we need address space for our virtual network. Here we have the address space. We're not gonna change this. And we need subnets for our virtual network. As I told you, it's a smaller compartmental parts that help you to isolate or connect your resources. Sorry. Now, here, as you see that, what you're gonna do, we want to add a new subnet, for example. Here, you click on Add Subnets. And what is the purpose of this? So it can be as a bastion, firewall, etc. But that is default. And the name, let us say subnet 1, for example, subnet 1. And the address space here, the starting address here is not that one. Let us say that 100 and click on add. So now you can see that you have two subnets here. That is how to create a subnet. Now click on review plus create to create your first feature network. So now everything is correct. Click on create. And you can see the loading deployment is in progress. Normally it won't take time. So your feature network is created. Click on go to resources to see your virtual network. Now, if you click here on the Essentials tab, you see all the information that you provide, including the resource group, the location, subscription, and so on. And here on the settings, that where you can edit certain configurations, like for example, address space here, no, connected devices. So that is where you can see all the resources that are connected to this virtual network. And subnets here, you can add more subnets here by creating here, by clicking on subnets. All subnets are adding a subnet gateway here. And you can also configure as a bastion, as we saw earlier, and also try to enable DDoS protection for this virtual network And all the information like DNS servers, peering, service endpoint, properties, and also even logs. Very important to know that. And for monitoring that, you can see alerts, metrics, logs, virtual network logs, and so on. That's it. That is what I just want to show you, and that is how you can quickly create or deploy a virtual network in Azure and also create subnets. I think that you'll find this helpful, and this is gonna help you to start your Azure journey. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next videos, and we'll learn how to improve the competence and gain confidence in deploying resources.